In this video, I will show you how to check your Monopoly Go username. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is load up Monopoly Go on your device. Now to go ahead and check your username, all you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three lines to open up the menu. Your username is going to be here displayed at the top. So this is going to be representative of whether you've connected your Facebook or your Google Play account. So basically when you go ahead and connect your account, what it's going to do is use your username from the connected account. So if you want to change this, what you're going to want to do is come down and press onto settings at the bottom, and then you want to press onto the green connect account button. From here, what you can do is connect your Google Play account or your Facebook account, and as mentioned earlier, whichever one you choose to connect will be the username that is displayed. So if you want to use a different username, all you need to do is connect the correct account to change your username. Now if you're also looking to check your user ID, you'll see that's here on this settings screen. If you look at the bottom down here, you've got your user ID. So that's how to go ahead and check your username on Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.